Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So in this video I am doing a first impression slash like review of the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade or Pomade. If y'all can see that. And this is in the color 382 in black brown. So whenever I like to get like a brow product or something like for my brows, I like to get something that's blackish brown, not black because black is way too harsh for my skin tone, and like just like regular brown isn't really great either, so I like to go for black brown because it kind of goes with like the natural color of my brows. So I usually use brow powder, but like I've been having such a hard time finding brow powders in like this shade, in like a black brown shade, so I just decided to opt for a pomade. I've seen people use it who have like sparse eyebrows like myself, so I thought I might as well like also just give it a try. So yeah, this is the package. It comes with a little angle brush and a spoolie on the other end. Then there is the pomade. I'm just trying to figure out how to open this package without ripping it apart. I don't care. I'm just gonna rip it apart. I don't have time for this. So this is the pomade. Yeah, this is literally the perfect shade. It's here. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna attempt using a pomade on my sparse brows. Only God knows how this is gonna turn out. Hopefully it turns out good. Here we go. I'm looking down at the mirror if you're wondering. So yeah, I'm just gonna dab this just a little bit. Oh, I can't hold my mirror and do this at the same time. So I'm just gonna dab it just a little in here, just because I don't want to get too much product on it. I like to start off a little small or just like with a little amount and then build up. And like whenever I am doing my brows, I like to start at the arch and like go towards my angle, or like, yeah, like towards the angle, and then bring it up so that it's not harsh when I'm filling it up here in the front. You get what I'm saying? Well, you'll see, but hopefully, you know, this technique works with the pomade because I've never used this. So here we go. Okay, well, there's not really any product on it. Okay. I actually like this. Okay, so my first impressions of this is that it's not greasy. That was the one thing I was a little worried about. I wasn't sure if it was gonna be like, you know, the brow pencils and be greasy, but it's not. It just gives you like that pigment that you want, but it's like, I don't know if I want to say matte, but I don't know if that would be the right way of describing it. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't know, but it's like there's no shine that comes with it. It literally looks like it finishes like a brow powder, but it's like more, I would say it will stay on. It stays on. you don't have to worry about like water, I guess, like ruining your brows or whatever. So now I'm gonna actually clean up my brows. They look a little crazy now, but once I clean them up, they will look normal again. If you watch my eyebrow tutorial, you know like what I use. I use this. This is just like an old foundation I have that was a little bit too light for my skin, so I just decided to use it as like a brow concealer. I'm gonna use the same brush. I wiped it off like so. Hopefully it's not gonna, yeah, ruin my brows, but we'll see. I like to do is I like to kind of like brush up here in the front just to make it look a little bit more feathery. And I must say that I really do like this brow pomade. Okay, what I wanted to say is that it dries like a powder, but it's like it sticks on, but it dries like a powder. So I like that. I guess I'll be using pomades from now on because I love this formula. It's literally perfect for my brows. I guess I would have to see like how it looks at the end of the day. I might do like another video on that just to show you guys, but because like it is kind of late in the day now, but yeah, maybe next time. So yeah, I like to brush my brows after filling them in and cleaning them up because it just kind of makes them look a little bit more natural. I like my brows to look natural. So yeah, that's it for my eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation. The foundation I'm using is the MAC Studio Fix fluid, and I am in the shade NC50. Yeah, I just got this foundation last week and I've worn it a couple times now. I wore it once. I'm thinking of doing a review on the foundation a little later on. If you guys want to know, like if you want a review on this foundation, just let me know. I mean, I am planning on doing one anyway. I just don't know when. I kind of want to wear it a little bit and kind of see how I feel about it, how I feel about the shade and everything. But yeah, so I got this foundation and I ended up getting like the pump as well because I really can't stand like when foundations don't have like a nice pump. It just makes application a lot more complicated. Like I just want to be able to like pump on my face or on my brush and like blend and go. You get what I'm saying? Get done filming and you step into your bathroom and you look at yourself, I'm like, oh my god, I have so much makeup on my face. Like, I'm telling you, this looks good on camera, but as soon as I step in my bathroom, I'm gonna look like I kicked my face. I haven't been filming a lot of videos lately, and it's because, like, you know, when you don't have like this setup, you don't have like your setup and everything, and you like your camera, it's kind of demotivating, honestly, because then you feel like you're just kind of limited to certain types of content, and you just don't really feel like filming that anymore. So yeah, like I feel like I'm in a creative slump. So once I get everything, my camera set up and everything, probably you're gonna see more of like my creative side and also more of my personality, because I feel like I don't express myself as much as I would like to on camera, because honestly I feel demotivated by the type of content I'm creating. So yeah, but I really love being on YouTube though, so yeah. So next I'm gonna go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. Yeah, Angel Food Cake. This is my go-to makeup look every single day if I wear makeup that day. This is what I usually go for. Next thing I like to do is I like to set my face with the Master Fix by Face Studio. I don't really like the setting spray, honestly. I don't like the smell. I don't know. I'm thinking of like getting a different one, but this does the job at the moment, so yeah. So that is the finished look. This wasn't actually meant to be a makeup tutorial. I really just wanted to try the brow powder, or the brow pomade, and I don't know, so far I would say I do like it. I probably will be purchasing more pomades because I feel like it's a lot harder to find like brow powders. So yeah, if you want to know like all the details on this product, I'll have all the details in the description box, where to get it and whatnot. The price point, if you want that too, I believe I got it for like $10, something like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed my video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.